Happy New Year's, everyone. So we just did goal setting and planning out of the new year. So we like to put our goals up on a Google Doc and just talk about it as a family on what we want to do. We also reflected on 2024, what were some accomplishments were. We went over goals as a family, Sunri's goals, my goals, Kaylee's goals. Valen, what goal are you looking forward to this year?
Buying a Nintendo Switch.
So he wants to make enough for a Nintendo Switch, which we don't want video games in the house. So we said if you bring it to your grandparents' house, you can play it there. So that's our compromise. But he still wants to go for it. What about you, Alvin?
Go to Florida.
Go to Florida.
To catch fish.
Okay. Kaylee, what about you? What about your chin-ups? You have a chin-ups goal, right? Where is that? Kaylee, 5 chin-ups in a row. You excited for that one?
I am.
All right. Yeah, so we did a 2024 year in review. Baby Kyrie learned to walk. Kaylee and Kate did their first triathlon. So just kind of reviewed the whole year. We did snacks and talked about game plan for the next year, what we're gonna do. We have our homeschool challenge list, which we revamped to, instead of a 90-minute homeschool challenge where they get their core subjects done, we did by 11:30 a.m. And then, if they do good each day, they get a check mark and, they get movie night. Now we made it automatic. They get chips and popcorn, pizza, or Chinese food. Depending how well they do that week, they'll get more rewards. We also revamped our chore challenge. She changed it from, instead of going to IHOP after 100 checks, so when Valen does dish, we give him 1 check. When Alvin cleans the kitchen table, we give him 1 check. When Kaylee puts away the shoes, we give him 1 check. And after 100 checks cumulatively, we'll take him to Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese actually has a pretty good family deal, $12 a month. We'll make a video on that where you can play 100 games every single day. It resets every day, 100 games, and 30% off food. So we'll make a video about that. And we also did Money Day today. So the kids got money. They get 1% interest for all their savings. And we pay that out from the Bank of Dad. And I think that's it. We made a book list because instead of reading 4 books to each kid, we made a list of what day each kid gets to choose 1 book, and then I read 1 chapter book. Right now we're reading Mark the Warrior Kid, which is a good book series for kids. Really like it. What else? We talked about food because we've been struggling with food. So what did we talk about food?
We got the kids' input on what meals they like and would like to see more of. And now we have a better idea of what, if we cook, they'll actually eat. So that's a good thing to get their buy-in for.
Yeah, we want to go healthier snacks like this sweet potato we baked. So we tried to have snacks out so the kids would be entertained while we talk through this for, we've been sitting down 2 hours now.
Yeah.
Yeah. But here's our themed weekly night. So we asked them to rank each of our meals. Like chili only got a 1.5, well, ramen got a 4. Actually, a lot of these resources, a lot of these checklists, you can go to famvestor.com/resources and you can download most of this stuff. But all in all, I think it went well. We're excited for our goals. What goal are you excited for, Sunri?
I am excited for strengthening my core.
Yeah. So we got a lot of family goals as well as individual goals. Valen got this Civil War book at the book sale that he wants to read. So just a lot of goals. We want to do 300-mile backpacking trip along the Erie Canal as a family. Going to Mexico on a cruise, Canada on a cruise. Going to Mexico for my Ironman 2025. That's my big goal for this year, is doing the full Ironman, a full 112-mile bike ride, 2.4-mile ocean swim, which I haven't done yet, so that'll be exciting. And then a marathon after all of that. So, exciting new year. What?
I'm excited to learn to make maple syrup.
Oh, yeah. We want to tap our maple syrup tree in the backyard and make maple syrup. Well, thanks for joining in. I hope this inspired you guys about how you can do your own New Year's Eve planning or New Year's Day planning with your family. And get things rolling, kick off the New Year strong. We did an ice plunge this morning. Well, there was no ice, but we jumped in the lake. Maybe we can show footage of that. Yeah, Kayuri's a walker. Yeah. All right, guys, have a good one. Godspeed.